Hi, welcome back to Wallflowers. So, this afternoon we haven't had any breakfast yet. We've just had a lazy Sunday afternoon, a lazy Sunday morning, should I say. And I'm just doing a little bit of a fry up for our lunch Sunday. And I've decided it was really cold, so we're being quite wrapped up today. And instead of me actually putting the heating on, I decided to cook as a feast, heat our bodies up. So we're having a bit of a mixed grill, our version of a mixed grill. And whilst the oven's already on and it's heated up, I've took some meat out the freezer, and the meat's now in the oven. And it'll take a couple of hours to cook. Which in the meantime will heat the house up, and I'll start the vegetables later, and that'll continue to maintain the heat because it's cooking on the gas. And we're going to use the oven today as the heat source in the house. Yes, it's a Sunday. Yes, it's something people typically do. But whilst the oven's hot and I'm not just paying to heat up the oven, I'm getting the next lot of food in and continuing to heat the house and cook the food for the meal later on in the day. So we're going to be well fed today, which is keeping our bodies warm. Because yes, hot drinks and your hot water bottles and the heating on does it well. If you've got plenty of food in your system, you're lucky enough to have it available. That'll keep your body warm. So cooking up a feast and preparing for this afternoon's feast. You've got to look after yourselves. Although we're quite worried about how to spend the money, you've got to still eat well. You can't start saying, I'll go down to one meal a day. You can't not eat. You've got to literally keep your body sustained. You haven't got to have big fry-ups and big Sunday roasts, granted, but you have to keep sustainable food in your body. You have to eat hot food. Yeah, just thought I'd share that with you this afternoon. Okay, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.